tractor. What's up, Arvon?
I ain't going to cut it, I'm going to throw it in the fire.
Hey guys, and welcome back to another day in the life at JAlly Farms. What we're going to do today is same thing we did yesterday or a couple of days ago when we planted the white pine over there. And you know, we're not done with them yet. I'm still going to put some more dirt on top of them. Fill in that hole a little bit. And right now they're kind of in the valley of a hole, but we're gonna make them right. We're gonna put them up. One thing I did is I had the guy come in and do the tilling and made my lines and everything, and I was kind of late, or he was really early, you know, coming over, but that's all right. And I didn't get to film that. And knowing that my trees were coming in, I had to get them done pretty quick. So what I did, I had them dig 2 lines, and I was going to put them side by side, but Arvon started digging the hole long ways. So, but this time we're going to put them in side by side and probably put 2 trees together. However, the pines that we got this time, they're the Austrian pines. They're pretty much bigger size than what these are. So what we're going to do, we're going to plant them here since this is already prepped, and you know, we're going to do maybe 3 in a row or something like that, maybe 6 in a row. I don't think 6 in a row, but 3 holes with the auger should do it. And then maybe early spring, we're gonna, or maybe next fall even, before I get my others, we're gonna transplant them up there in the regular area that they should be in. So hang on, and we're gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, we're checking out the roots on it right now.
Take one of the big ones here.
A big one right there. Ah, that's, yeah, we could, what, a 6-inch hole?
6-inch hole.
6 inches. I don't know, let's see what the auger would do.
Well, let's
We do 2 on each side, we'd probably do it on the hump. So
I don't even see where he went on there.
I
don't think.
I'm not even gonna guess where it is.
He didn't go very deep.
We'll put an auger hole right there, an auger hole right there. On the ridge, you see where the ridge up here is? We'll do it right there on this side.
I'm going to have to cut the bottom off of that white thing, so I can trim them come February. I can cut all them bottom sprouts out, and that'll be better.
Okay.
thought you'd just go ahead and put one in each one.
I need to take a few more minutes before we do that.
So there's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, up to here.
Got 53.
22, 24, 26, 28, 31, or 30. 30 up to here, halfway.
Yeah. We got 30 up to here.
Yep, get 30 up to here. If you go that far, you got a hole here.
All right, well,
You got to put another hole here.
let's go ahead and mark it.
Well, you don't have to. We can mark it by the thing.
All right. Hold it on the inside like that. If that thing turns, it's going to break the rib.
It'll break it the other way too.
Do this one, and then we'll come back to this one.
Go a little bit closer that way. There. I think that might be enough.
Let me go rotate.
That deep, so when that goes, it goes straight down. Ready for the next one?
Yeah. I wanted to let you guys know that we had to cut some of them. That big one over there that I just planted, we did not have to cut it, but hopefully it'll grow. And you know, using an auger, we get down so deep and you hit a hard pan, you really can't dig any deeper, and you just hope that tree will break through the hard pan and continue its growth. And maybe that's why some of our trees don't live or whatever, but I mean, I don't see them. I don't see how they could dig. I don't see how they dig them up. I mean, if they do, they have a tractor and they leave like a foot long root system on it, and wow. Okay. Well guys, that's it for today. We got these 50. They actually gave us like 55. And we got those over here. Those are the white pine. And the taller ones are the Austrian pine. Now, when I ordered these, last time we ordered these from the company, they were about 6 inches small, like the white pines over here. And that's why we made the bed over here for them. But then when we got them, we found out that they were quite a big, you know, twice the size. So, you know, we still have, we didn't make up the other area where they're supposed to go. So we just used this one since it was already made up. And we'll keep these here for about a year. And maybe early fall next year we'll take them out and plant them up over there and get some more and plant them over here. So, alright, that's how it goes. Never ending story. Till next time guys, live it, love it, share it. We'll see you on the flip side.